Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Untitled Goose from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the beak. At the top, let's draw a curve over and down. Then from the top, let's angle it down and to the right. And the same thing underneath. And now let's close off the end with the curve. Okay, next let's hop to the top and draw the shape of the head. From the top of the beak, let's draw a curve up, over to the left, and back down, stopping here. Then from the bottom, let's draw a small line in, and then follow that same neck curve down. Next on the face, let's add the eyeball like this. And then color it in black. Okay, next before drawing the body, let's add the microphone on the beak. Let's first start off by drawing a curve inside like this. And then 2 angles down and out. And then an oval to close it off. And now let's erase that beak line inside. Now let's hop to the other side of the beak to draw the top of the microphone. We'll start with a curve. And then a larger curve for the microphone head. And then add the detailed curve lines inside. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. From the left side of the neck, let's draw a curve down like this. And then one more curve at the end. Now hop over to the right side and let's continue that line down and then curve it in. Now let's leave a gap and draw another curve for the bottom of the body. Next, under the gap, let's draw a rounded rectangle shape like this. And then one more curve on the inside. Now let's draw the other leg. Start with a small angle down, a curve over to the left, and then curve it back up just under the body line. And now let's close off the left side of the body by adding the tail. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curve out and then bring it back down. Okay, next let's hop down and draw the feet. Underneath the left side, let's draw 2 lines down like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it down on both sides. Then let's curve it back in. And then a V shape to close it off. Now let's move over and draw the right leg. We'll start with 2 diagonal lines down. Now from the right, let's curve it out. and then back in. Now one more V-shaped toe here, another angle down, and then let's bring it back up to the leg and in. And that's it for this goose. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!